I love a good garden, but designing one from scratch can feel pretty overwhelming. With Planner 5D, you can play around with different layouts, test out ideas, and just really figure out what'll work for your space. In this video, I'll walk you through 3 garden layout ideas to help inspire you for your own garden. Before we dig in, pun intended. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and try out the 7-day pro trial to unlock all of the features that you'll need to create your dream garden. First up, we have a cozy pergola. In the outdoor menu, select the outdoor activities category and select this pergola. This setup will be pretty big, so we're going to adjust the pergola dimensions to fit our seating arrangement. Next, in the fireplace category, you'll find a fire pit model that includes seating. Grab it and place it under the pergola, then make any adjustments you'd like for the aesthetic. Next, let's add some fences in the back to add to the garden feel. Here's the fun part. Add as much greenery and plants as you would like to fill in the space and bring the garden to life. Also, feel free to play around with the levitation of certain trees to turn them into bushes instead. For this next design, we're going to create a scenic park walkway. Start by grabbing a magic cube and turning it into a long, narrow strip, making sure to adjust the height to just a few centimeters. Then you can play around with the material you'd like for the walkway. For this example, we'll use this stone. If you want to add space for benches, duplicate the layer and resize it to be just a little bit bigger than a traditional bench. Then duplicate that layer as many times as you'd like. There are a bunch of different benches to choose from in the outdoor menu, so feel free to pick one that matches your aesthetic. Adding some outdoor style lighting like this really adds to that park vibe. And one of my favorite features about Planner 5D is that you can group items together, so you only have to create it once. Then you can just duplicate it as many times as you need. Next, we'll add a fence to really tie in that outdoor garden look, and we're going to use a combination of the magic cube and a fence from the fencing category. As a tip, if your objects aren't showing the distance line between them like this, go to the settings gear icon while you have your project open, and under dimensions turn on object distance. And finally, add the finishing touches and decorate with trees and plants to fill in the space. And finally, let's create a pathway leading up to a house. Once again, we'll use that trusty magic cube to create a pathway. Then we'll use this hedge from the trees and plants category to separate the walkway from the rest of the yard. You can play around with alternating heights if you want some added depth, or you can leave them all the same height. And of course, let's finish it off by adding lighting as well as some plants and trees. Just as a pro tip before we go, if there's a specific time of day you want to show in your renderings, we actually have a video going over that in a lot of detail, and you can find that right here. And there you have it, 3 different garden layouts that you can try right now in Planner 5D. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And if you have your own garden ideas, we'd love to hear about those too. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check out that 7-day pro trial. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.